All right, a common question I receive is, what's the best way to start a conversation with a girl? It's a hell of a question because if you don't know what to say before approaching, you might overthink, get nervous, and end up saying nothing, which can be disappointing if you really liked her. That's why in today's video, I want to share 7 tried and true methods to start a conversation with any woman you find attractive. Just pick any of these 7 easy openers and you're set. You'll never miss a chance to talk to a woman you like because you'll have a line ready. So pay attention, take notes, and watch until the end because these 7 openers are incredibly handy. Number 1, disarming questions. This involves asking a simple question to get the ball rolling, something anyone can answer without hesitation or simply say, I don't know. For instance, if you're on the street and spot a pretty girl, you could ask, hey, excuse me, do you know where the nearest Starbucks is? Simple question. Disarming. If you're at a networking event, party, or social gathering and see someone you're attracted to, you could ask, hey, do you know where the restroom is? Where's the bar? Do you know what's next on the agenda? I'm starving. Do you know where I can get some food? Simple stuff anyone can answer. It's just an icebreaker. The real secret to making this method work is the follow-up. You can't just ask a simple question, get an answer, and walk away or expect her to carry the conversation. You need to change topics and follow up in a relaxed, casual manner. For example, if you're asking for directions and she answers, you could say, thanks, by the way, where are you from? This creates a segue. If she says, I'm from Toronto, you could reply, oh, that's nice. I'm from Texas. My name's John. Nice to meet you. And just like that, you're in a conversation. It's on. Now you can steer it in any direction and get to know her better, ask for her number, and so on. It's ridiculously simple, but can work like a charm every time. Method number 2, the prop-based opener. Comment on something a girl is holding or wearing or something in your shared environment. It could be a question or a statement. For example, if you're at an art gallery and see a beautiful woman looking at a painting, you could say, wow, that painting is amazing. Given you're close enough, she'll likely respond. And that's your chance to start a conversation. Introduce yourself afterward. Hey, I'm so-and-so. Nice to meet you. Another example could be if you notice a woman holding a drink at the bar, you could ask, so what are you drinking? Is it good? It's just talking. No need to be clever or quick-witted. Notice a prop, make a comment, and you're good to go. It's enough to break the ice. Number 3, the situational opener. Similar to the prop-based opener, but here you comment on something happening around you both at that moment. These are observations. If you're at a bar and a rock band is playing, say something about it. Have you heard these guys play before? Or it's a bit loud in here, isn't it? If you're in a college classroom and the professor is giving a boring lecture, make a comment to the girl next to you about how bored you are and what you'd rather be doing. Simple stuff. Any guy can do this. Just be observant and speak up. Number 4, the opinion opener. This classic trick involves asking a woman for her opinion or advice on something. It's engaging. For example, if you're in line at a coffee shop and see someone you're attracted to, you could ask, hey, I'm new here. What would you recommend I order? In a clothing store, pick up a shirt and ask, hey, can I get your honest opinion? Would this look weird on me? Or put on 2 different colognes and ask, which one smells better? The sky's the limit with opinion openers. Ask anything. Have you watched Friends? Who do you like better, Joey or Chandler? Or what do women really prefer, a bad boy or a gentleman? Think of your own. The point is to ask for advice or an opinion, break the ice, get her talking, then introduce yourself, switch topics, and continue the conversation. Number 5, the cold read. This involves making a general statement about a woman's personality, background, or emotional state. Make a general statement, not too specific to avoid being creepy. For example, at the gym, you could say, you don't look like you're from this neighborhood. If you see a woman at a social event, you could say, you seem like a creative person, definitely an artistic vibe. If you see a cute girl on the street, say, you look really bored. What happened? The reason this works is threefold. It's different and stands out. It's personalized and grabs attention, and it sparks curiosity. Whether you're right or wrong, it grabs her attention. If you're right, she'll confirm it and ask how you knew. If you're wrong, she'll correct you and ask why you thought that. Either way, she's pulled into the conversation. Every week, I'll give you no-nonsense insider information about what women really want and instantly effective methods to win over any girl you like. So hit that subscribe button now to ensure you don't miss a video. Number 6, the social opener. This one works like magic in social environments like networking events, parties, bars, clubs, and college campuses. Simply walk up to the girl and say, hey, I don't think I've met you. My name is John, or whatever your name is. It sounds simple, but it's brilliant because it communicates that you're social and popular, someone others know. It also indicates you're about to meet her now, priming her for the conversation. Try it and see how well it works. Number 7, the direct opener. This powerful method involves walking up to a girl and saying, hey, I know this is completely random, but I think you're really cute and wanted to meet you. This one shows confidence and boldness, which is incredibly attractive. It clearly states your intent, no playing around. Most guys are terrified to do this, but you're different, courageous, and confident. Even if the woman is unavailable, she'll respect you for it. If she's single, this line will often turn her on a little because it exudes confidence. The part about it being random shows social awareness, removing awkwardness. It tells her exactly where you stand, making it unlikely she'll friend zone you. You're not acting friendly, you've introduced a romantic frame. The key here is delivery, project your voice, use open body language, and smile. Get this right, and you lay the foundation for a great conversation.